Sure, still. I put my hand in it every once in a while. So funny. What's it gonna show?
Are you cuddling with that ladder? Nick, yeah. Wuffles is enjoying it now, huh? Like, okay.
What?
He's just kind of like, okay.
Yeah.
Are you cuddling with that ladder in a bit? Look here.
Let's see. Ooh, let's see. That little thingy.
A little thingy. Two little thingies. Each with a little thingy.
I'm trying to get your leg. I know you don't like it too much because you like it. But I don't want to miss it.
Yeah, they're awesome. Yeah.
Hey, look at me. Yeah.
No, you can't leave yet. You're full of soap, Wuffle.
Trying to wipe all his face.
I know I am. Trying to leave, yeah. Silly puppy. There's a bug on that little stool. I see it through my camera.
Let me get your bottom part and then you'll be done.
Okay, but then you guys can shake, huh?
Yeah. And now give it turn for shampoo.
Yeah, that's fine.
I sprayed it both right away. Ah.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh boy, yeah.
Gotta get your legs and your thing, like underside.
Oh, it's so cute.
And your tail. Uh-oh. You have to wash your back end again because they're going to snivel it.
Huh?
I
Oh.
told him.
Oh, Wuffle, yeah, big deal. And rinse them off, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, Nibble's butt definitely needs washing. It's like sat in some dirt or something. I mean, it's not, you know, like he sat in a bunch of dirt, you know?
You silly.
Yes, he did. It was like underneath his tail and he sat in a bunch of dirt.
There we go.
Is it all clean around his, yeah?
I was doing that.
Okay, just wondering.
I did what he let me.
Okay. It was like the other day, then he comes up and I was like, you sat in dirt, you're all dirty, yeah?
Yeah.
Couldn't have it. This is white for white, but sits in dirt with his butt all dirty. Are you hiding, Emma? Are you hiding? Are you hiding?
Because you did that.
We'll just like, okay, whatever again, huh? fighting.
Okay, that's clean, that's clean, that's clean, that's clean. One more, go through here. That's all I can reach.
Just make sure you got Wuffle the soapware and stuff, Wuffles, like you said, yeah.
Right there, yeah.
Yeah.
That was all he did. He's just leaning
make sure.
against the niblet.
So yeah, just make sure because they're leaning against each other. Okay guys, shake, shake, huh?
Now you can shake.
Shake off. No, come on, shake off. Just shake off, Niblet. Come on, shake. Thì chị lỗi đâu rồi. Hey, Niblet, that's your hat. Hey. Hey, girl. Hey, Wuffles. Shake.
Get him to do that again. I was not at a good angle to even try again. I got it once.
Yeah, no, that's sometimes they blow in their ear. Something seems to, yeah. Hey, baby! You just surprised me. Oh, hi, Niblet. Is your face right in the camera? One side of his head right in the camera, anyway. Hi. Licky, 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 licky.
Let's put it out there. Get the picture, but I don't want to disturb him.
Huh? Oh, I've got the video. I'm videoing it.
Okay.
Yeah, guys. Hi. Oh, hello, cutie pies. Hi, cutie pies. Hello. Oh, lick, 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 Niblet.
Oddly enough, I didn't get that wet doing it this time.
Hi, guys. Shake, 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 Niblet. Shake, 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 Wuffle. Yeah, shake, yeah. That's right. Hi, guys.
You're so cute, Wuffles.
Yes. Ruff. 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 Well, come on, Ruff. Wuffles, you know, bark, bark. Ruff. Yeah, Ruff, Wuffles. Come on, Wuffles, bark. And come on back. Ruff. 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 Yeah? You gonna hide? You done being taped? You're on camera. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You know, I'd be cute and shake, yeah.
I'll be back.
Well, I'm gonna stop in just a second because it's like almost up to 10 minutes, and so, yeah.
Oh, okay, well, then never mind.
YouTube, yeah.
I wanted to put something on and...
Okay, yeah.